This is an AI Napoleon Dynamite. I meant infinite exploit, and the techniques and tutorials shared in this video are intended for educational purposes only. The content shared here is designed to increase awareness and knowledge in cybersecurity and should never be used for malicious intent or to cause harm. Always act responsibly and ethically.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about evading Windows Defender, and we're running Windows 11 this time, okay? So as you can see, I have real-time protection and everything enabled. I'm going to leave that here. Let me go ahead and minimize this so y'all can see that I'm running Windows 11 right here, Windows 11, but I also do system info to show y'all that I'm running Windows 11 as well, okay? And we got everything in place. We got everything in place, y'all. All right, as you can see here, Windows 11. All right, we're good. All right, let's clear screen. And I also want to let you know that it is up to date. Yep, everything's up to date. Okay, so I already got my payload ready to go here. Let me show it to you. I pulled it down from my local host. So I'm gonna give you an example really quick. Let's go into a PowerShell. Since this is PowerShell we're using it, I'm gonna set up a netcat listener because this is my listening port. This is my attack IP. This is the port I'm gonna listen to. So 33333. Yep, 3333. That's our favorite port, y'all. All right, let's paste this in here. Oh, it's blocked by antivirus. Okay, so let's try some of our tricks because, like we talked about earlier, you know, this is still going to give us the current working directory. So we can change a couple things in here. All right, I could change this. Let's see. I can do one like here. Okay, that looks good. I can do a couple here. Let's see, I do one here. Hopefully not messing up anything. I do one on this beginning one. Hopefully this works. If not, I'm gonna try to do some randomized characters on the variable names. Okay. So listener setup. Let's press enter. Let's see if we got something. Oh damn, who am I? We got something. System info. And we just bypassed antivirus, you guys. We just did it. And just to show you, let me move this stuff out of the way. Minimize this. Where's my? I'm gonna open up settings again. Well, it's already right here. It's still on, guys. Everything is still on. We just built like that. That's how we did that. We just built like that. Let's try to do another payload. Let's try something else. You guys. Let me go ahead and kill this reverse shell. So I pulled down another payload right here, and let's do our favorite port 3333. All right, so let's pull this one down, see if we can get a reverse shell. All right, it's been blocked. All right, so let's do a little tampering. All right, tamper with this one. All right. Everything's looking good. I want to call this infinite exploit, infinite shell. Infinite shell. That's gonna be cool. And like I mentioned in a previous video, I can use like invoke obfuscation tool, but for some reason I like working harder. Let's see if we get a reverse shell like this one. Yeah, just waiting. I haven't heard anything bad yet, so sometimes it takes a minute to think. Alright, let's check back. Hopefully we got that infinite shell. And yes, we do. Who am I? John. LS. See all that stuff in there. Man, that's another example I wanted to give you guys. All right, hope you have a good one. Take care.